Hey, what's up? How you doing? And welcome back to another DIY video.
Today we're going to be showing you how to put up a custom sunshade on the side of your house.
So as you can see, we get some harsh afternoon sun on this side of our house, and we wanted to change that.
So it's time for the bills to go down and that shade to go up.
This is a super simple project. We just used a sunshade that we ordered online, a hammer, construction staples, masonry screws, a drill, a ladder, and some liquid nail.
And of course, without further ado, let's jump in and put this shade up.
All right, you want to show them what we're doing? Sketchyville 2017.
Okay. This is an example of do what you can to fix your failures with what you got around the house. So we have these felt pads from the Dollar Tree, and we're taking 2 small squares of tape so that the fabric doesn't tear and won't fray, just like so. And it's going to act as a washer, so the screw is going to go in the center of that circle. What the